Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you 3 outfits that a personal stylist helped me put together from my own closet. I love the idea of working with what you have. Most people can't afford to go out and buy new fashion or new clothes anytime a new trend comes out. Sometimes it's just really nice to get an opinion from a professional who helps you figure out your style or even just get a nice fresh look in your closet without having to go out and purchase a bunch of clothes. I just know that this experience was really helpful for me. I mean, one of these outfits, it was such an easy, simple trick that I could have done to make it myself pull off this look, and I didn't think about it. And I just needed a professional opinion on it because sometimes little things like that just go right over my head. Like, man. This personal stylist really helped me narrow down my fashion and figure out what it is that really makes my outfits pop. I am going to share more detailed information at the end of this video on SOML Fashion and how you can have the experience too. But for now, I just want to jump right into this video. I want to show you guys the outfits, share with you guys the tips and tricks that I learned from my stylist. Before we jump right into this video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe if you love seeing fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content. I upload every Monday and Friday. So the first outfit that she suggested that I style is this utility jumpsuit. This is not the best quality jumpsuit, even though I love the style of it. It does not keep me very warm. The material is very light, and I don't feel comfortable walking outside in colder weather with this on. I feel like I need so much more. She suggested that I pair this with just a simple white sweater, which I'm going to show you in just a minute, and it's going to kind of winterize this outfit. Over here I have my outfits, and this is the sweater I'm going to wear with it. I love this sweater, like I wear it all the time, and I don't know why I haven't worn it with this jumpsuit. I guess it never crossed my mind. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with this sweater on. And here you go. Like, this is just such a simple outfit that I never thought of, and it completely turned this jumpsuit into a winter item. I've already worn this a couple times since she has suggested this outfit. I wear it so much now, and I know this jumpsuit is gonna wear out so fast, so I'm gonna start being on the lookout for a better quality jumpsuit, but until this rips on me or just something goes wrong with it or it fades, I will be wearing this until it's done. And let me show you the shoes that I'm going to pair with it. I have a tendency to really enjoy these type of shoes. I love them so much, and this is such a style right now. I just love how this is piecing together with the combat shoes, the soft but sturdy cardigan, and a simple jumpsuit. I have worn these boots with this outfit before, but never with this sweater combination. My stylist also suggested trying wearing this with a leather jacket to transform it into like a night out type of look. I don't have a leather jacket, so I'm just gonna go with this look. It's very me. It's adjusted the entire outfit to be something that can be worn in cooler weather. Thanks to this personal stylist, I was able to figure this out because I have no idea how I overlooked this outfit. It's so simple. What is my problem? Look at this trail of dirt. These are the culprits. This next one, I have not even worn yet. I still have the tag on this. It's from the brand Maurice's. I don't know why I haven't worn this yet, and it's so pretty. It's a little bit cold to wear this just yet, but this is going to be a beautiful outfit that I'm going to be wearing a lot in the springtime and the summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. So I think this is probably one of my favorite outfits that I've gotten out of this session. Obviously, like, I could button this up and it would be more of like a poofy little cute sweater type of deal. I could also just leave this as a kimono type of style. And one thing that she said is that you can make this more of a everyday outfit by wearing it with flat shoes, which I have right here. But I want to show you guys the date night version because I mean, these are brand spanking new, and I am in love with these shoes. So here is the outfit paired with these shoes, and I feel like it really dresses up the outfit and just makes it more of a date night look. I'm so happy that I finally found an outfit to wear with this sweater, because I don't know what was keeping me from finding the perfect items to wear with this, but it just took me a while, and I feel like I finally will be able to pull this off. And it can just be like a really pretty feminine date night look. All of these floral designs, and then just like a simple jean. Like, I feel like this is almost like a boho vibe. A lot of you could pull off a look like this if you just grab your favorite pair of jeans, a pair of heels, and a kimono with a plain tank top. Like, it's such a simple look, and you probably have it in your closet. For this next outfit, I have a leopard print skirt. And I love wearing this. I've worn this several times, but one thing that is really going to make it pop is by wearing it with all black. So I have this black shirt right here, and then I also have this black sweater. So I'm going to try both on and see which go with the look the most. This outfit is definitely more of a dressy type of occasion, but it literally works perfect together because these tights have polka dots on them, and then the sleeves have polka dots. Like, it's incredible how they work together, but I really like how it looks. The stylist recommended wearing all black to really make a print stand out, and that's what I did. I really do think that the print does stand out a little bit more because of the simple black. But I always like to add my touch of the polka dot into any of my outfits. I mean, we've even got polka dots on our tights. So I was going to try that other sweater on, but honestly, I'm pretty much taken on this look. And get a little bit of a different angle for you guys so you guys can see just how it wears on me and how easy and simple it is to make an outfit like this work. So recently, to wear with mini skirts, dresses, date night dresses, something that I found that I really have needed to invest in is tights. I have been on the lookout for really good quality tights that aren't going to rip every time I put them on, and I have been wearing these Sheer-Tex polka dot tights, and they are the only tights that I own right now. I have been able to wear these all month. The stuff is sturdy, like it does not rip. I'm really pulling on this, and these are not ripping. Like, this stuff is so intense and thick. I am like pushing my finger through it, and it's not ripping. This is just so insane. I don't know what type of technology is in this, but I had to mention this in this video because I have been on the hunt for a pair of tights that do not rip on me. It's so frustrating. And I'm going to leave all the information down below. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Comment or email me. So basically what I got from the session, the stylist just kind of sat down and talked through whatever I had questions about. So I just had a lot of questions about like what exactly my style is, because I really feel like I'm all over the place. And she just kind of helped me nail down exactly what my style is and pieces to look out for. There's so many simple things that I have overlooked in my fashion that I can use to pull off looks. Sometimes even just a shoe can really bring one simple day look into a date night look. So it's just really cool how these simple details really make an outfit pop. The style consultations range from $15 for 10 minutes, $50 for 30 minutes, and $100 to $500 depending on whether you're wanting to do like a personal shopping experience, like actually have the stylist there with you and do like a shopping trip with her. I'm always open to things like this because I feel like I could always learn. Maybe you have a dress that you have no idea how to wear and you just want a professional opinion on it, on how to style it for your figure. Like, it's so great. Like, there's just so much potential in something like this. And this type of service is meant to be for those of us who are on a budget. I can't go out and be buying fashion every time it comes out. Every time I see something that I absolutely love, I have to wait for sales. I have to save my money up. I have to look for an opportunity. You really gotta play it smart sometimes, especially when fashion is just really hard to keep up with sometimes. I just love this idea of having a professional opinion, someone who's been trained to come in and tell you how to make an outfit work that you already own. I just think it's amazing, and I really enjoyed my experience. I learned a lot, in 30 minutes. And I feel like since I've had this session with the stylist, my eyes have been kind of opened and I'm seeing more outfits that go together and just seeing more colors popping and just more simple outfits that can turn into these beautiful, dazzling, glamorous date night looks. Give me a thumbs up if you really liked this idea. I really want to hear your guys' thoughts on this, and I'm going to be looking at comments on this video. I'm really excited to see what you guys have to say. I will have everything I mentioned in this video in the description box in case you guys have any questions. I am going to link these tights in the description box as well too, because I have pretty much worn these for over a month now and I love them. In fact, these will probably go in a favorites video, you know what I mean? Share this video if you really enjoyed it and you feel like somebody you know would enjoy something like this, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.